Okay, so read, you will need to take separate. What I'm gonna do to do it quickly, I'm gonna just fill the gaps. I'm not gonna read it because it's gonna take time. So I'm just helping other people as well. So you pause it, and when you find the right answer, just play. Hope so you get the answer. So the right answer will be test T. This is going to be with the small letter because we're not going to put the capital. So this test is going to become over here. So the next one will be locations, because there's a lot of location talking about, not one. So the other location we just put into this box. Now the two left, sorry. So the right answer is approved, as I said before. Why? Because this is a past sentence. So let's move to the next question. Hope so you get right as well. So please pause and try to find the answer as well. So I got the answer. Your operator. So we're not going to put this operator because the O is capital. So this O with a small O, sorry. So this operator big O is going to be goes into the box. So next one, hope so you get the next one as well. So that's going to be vehicle, not vehicles, because you're talking about your vehicle. It's going to be one vehicle, not vehicles. So this vehicle is going to become over here. So this means that passengers check this information against. So must be against, not again your. Look how simple was these questions come in the exam. I was really surprised. I was happy. I was running. I was solving it. That's why I finished quickly. And the 15 minutes left in the exam. Let's move to the next question. So please pause and try to do with me. So yeah, hope so you get the answer. Yeah, so the completes, this comes completes because of the doctor, one doctor. So this complete will comes over here. The next one, hope so you get this right as well, is returning, not return, because this is happening. And the next one is going to be license with small l, not with the capital one. So these are the symbols one, you know. Let's move to the next question. So please pause, try to do with me. Also you get the answer. So this is going to be registered, not register. So register will come over here, and this will briefly, not a brief, briefly describe. Look, when you speak, this comes in your tongue as well. So describe the condition or conditions. It's going to be condition because it's not one condition, it's going to be conditions. Next question quickly. Hope so you get the answer as well after pausing the video. The first one, yeah. So because this is too many circumstances, not one, so whether we're going to put it over here, and then it's going to be driving, not a drive. The vehicle you are driving, because this is the present sentence, so that's why I put driving. And this one, so you get this right, is returned, needs to be returned, not return. Let's move to the next question, number 7, quickly. Again, very simple. So another possible problem. So another with capital A, not with small, because this is when sentence start with a letter. So this must be capital. Then the next 4 left, book or ride. So this is going to be the shading, not here. This doesn't make sense as well. So if you, no, how simple is that? If you do stop or stop to. So if you cannot do it, so you are struggling then. So it's going to be stop to collect a passenger. Other one doesn't make sense. Move to the question number 8. Pause please and try to find the answer. Hope you get it. So the first one is if there are restrictions, yeah, so this is going to be with S. So the one restriction over is going to be here. So if you are in the situation, you should make sure you comply, not complied. So it's very simple as well. So with conditional, make sure you have a continuing. So it's continuing because it's still doing it. So not continue. So it's continuing. Let's move to the next question. So number 9. Hope you get the answer as well. So the first one is going to be immediately. Report it immediately, not immediate. That doesn't make sense. So the next one should be police with the small p, not with capital P. So we're going to put the wrong one over here. You cannot continue working. It's going to be working, not work as a PHV driver. So we're going to move to the next question. So number 10. So please pause, try to do it. So as a, hope so you get the right answer, London PHV driver. You can, yeah, so just read it please if you want to do with me, because I just want to show you the question. That's why I'm just giving the answers. Form a, so that's going to be licensed because they already get their license. That's why they have licensed. So London is going to become over here. Must is going to be, so you must carry. This is the right one, carry. So this one is going to be wrong. Hope you get this right. Move to the next question. So please pause, try to find the answer with me. So installing CCTV cameras into our vehicles can reduce. It's going to be threat or threats. So because it's going to be threats, not only one threat, is going to be threats. Signs in the vehicle, so it's going to be the signs, not with the small s, because this is a new sentence. So you can buy a camera, so it's going to be camera or cameras. So because they're talking about the one driver, it's going to be camera, not cameras. So because of you is one person.